This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a hyper-convenient location in the fun Old Town neighborhood for a tour of one of the model apartments at the fabulous new Old Town Park apartment tower. I'm in the foyer of Unit 912, a studio facing north. The unit has one of the most attractive layouts that you're going to find anywhere in new construction in downtown Chicago. Oversized bath is off to the left as you enter with designer fixtures, wall-wide mirror above the vanity with medicine cabinet behind. Tub surround tile extends to the ceiling. There's body spray attachment. Very sleek fixtures all throughout the unit. Off to the right, as you entered, it's a full-size, front-loading, stacked washer-dryer. Then you have 4 doors opening to a very wide closet with organizers and another closet off to the left. It's a large sleeping alcove, high ceilings, just a terrific space. As you continue into the unit, you have an efficient one-wall kitchen, 4-burner gas cooktop, cabinet front integrated appliances. You have a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows facing north, looking out over some of the amenity space, which is lavish and extensive here at Old Town Park. Looking out over a large pool, deck with grilling areas, dog runs, and an outdoor basketball court. And you're also looking out onto Well Street, where you have Plum Market, a fabulous array of boutiques, restaurants, dining, comedy shops, nightlife. Old Town Park has among the highest quality finishes that you're going to find anywhere in Chicago. And since you're in a model, you'll find plenty of goodies to keep you carved up and hydrated as you go about your apartment search. This is a very appealing studio space. A lot of room, great functional separation of different living and sleeping areas. You really owe it to yourself to put Old Town Park on your must-visit list when you're looking for a new apartment anywhere in downtown Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.